In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. The definition of spirituality given in the dictionary is the state of being opposed to worldliness. This definition is partly true, for unworldliness is not just for the sake of unworldliness, it is for the sake of a higher goal, and that goal is to develop the spiritual way of life. There are two kinds of spirituality: negative spirituality and positive spirituality. Negative spirituality means renouncing the material world or leaving the society and settling into some jungle or on some mountain. This kind of negative spirituality has no creative role. It suppresses all the natural qualities of human being who then dies without having made full use of his natural potential. Quranic spirituality is the spirituality of positive kind. It means living in the world and trying to derive the spiritual food from material things as a matter of intellectual discipline. It means control rather than kill one's desire. The fact is that God Almighty has created a person with great potential. It is not good to suppress this potential. One should rather than avail of this potential for the sake of personality development. It means experiencing all the good and all the evils of society and trying to live with others without reaction. Positive spirituality can be termed creative spirituality. For example, Surah Al-Imran, the verse number 134, which says with reference to the believers that they forgive people when they are angry. It means that positive spirituality is based on the formula of anger management rather than on trying to become a person who has no feelings of anger. The formula for positive spirituality can be summarized thus: turn your negative sentiments into positive response, make friends out of enemies. The formula for positive spirituality is based on the principle of simple living and high thinking. Simple living and high thinking are complementary to each other. Simple living saves you from all kinds of distraction, and high living saves you from being the victim of negative experiences. This simple living and high thinking are a sine qua non of the spiritual culture. The positive spirituality is mentioned in the Quran, Surah Al-Qalam, the verse number 4. You are on the sublime character. The sublime character is that character which is based on the high thinking. If you read the Quran, you will find that Surah Zumar, the verse number 10, it lays great emphasis on sabr. In Surah Nisa, the verse number 128, on salah. Surah Shura, the verse number 40, on forgiveness. And Surah Al-Araf, the verse number 199, on avoidance, contentment, and so on. Here is the question: why all these teachings? These teachings apparently seems to advocate passivity, but that is not so, for they embody great wisdom. Quran tries to build that kind of mind which is able to manage all the affairs of life on the basis of spirituality.